Hello friends, in this tutorial I will show you a trick called a cracker. I show this trick using the example of a balloon from modeling size to 160. I inflated the balloon at one pump, let out a little air, tied a knot. Now I'm making 6 bubbles the size of 2 fingers each. I'm fixing the first and last bubble. I make tight pinch twists out of the 3rd and 5th bubble. Watch me break this chain with the help of a needle. I will burst the bubble that is between 2 pinches. Please note that the balloon has not deflated and has acquired a new shape. Train to grow. Thank you for watching us.